What's up, everyone? So I'm here with another unboxing vid, and this one is really just pure excess at this point. So I've got two things that came in the mail, and they're both kind of out there with respect to what they do, and I would really consider it just, sort of matchy to the excess. So what this is goes really well with this off-white Mercurial NRG World Cup jacket that I bought. And really, after I bought this, I went and I bought these same day because they kind of come together as a set. And I don't think I would have bought one without the other. Certainly I don't think I would have bought these without this, but now that I got this, it makes sense to get these. So let's open this up and see what we have. All right. We have here an off-white for Nike Zoom Fly Mercurial. And ta-da! So it basically matches the jacket. These are a size 11, and I'm normally an 11 and a half, so they might be a little bit snug. They're certainly laced up way tighter than I normally would go. But this is kind of what I was talking about. They've got the stripe points, so they've got the dots in all the ideal places for kick placement. They've got the off-white quotes that say foam. And together with this, you basically have the whole ensemble. And they're really comfortable to boot. So that's the other thing that I kind of made a mental decision about is I want my sneakers to be stylish, but after walking around in Air Jordan 1s a bit too much recently, I realized they're really not that comfortable. And I want to be stylish and comfortable, and I can already tell you these are super duper comfortable. So on to the next package, and I am really excited for this, and this is one that I'm pretty sure anybody who sees this is going to go, that is just ridiculous. So as you can see, I've got a couple of jackets sitting out here. They're all Stone Island, and this is really one of my favorite colors that Stone Island makes, so it's a pistachio. I've got two pistachio jackets. And then I have one that's just kind of a green, but I think all three of them will work with what I'm about to open up here. What do I have? I have matching Pistachio Stone Island pants. All right, let's see if we can do one of those things that that those people on TikTok do. Ready? All right, well, you look at that. These are crazy. Nice pockets on the side, really good storage. The material feels, you know, really soft, but also really durable. And the best part about these is that they match stuff like this. So let's take a look. I can't see myself, but I dig it. I think I would totally go out looking like this. I actually think it's a little bit better than the Camo Devore pants and jacket that I bought that matches 100% the same. It's very close, but the slight difference in the tone, I think actually makes it very doable without being too excess. This other one here, though, I think is going to match a little bit closer. Let's take a look. Oh, we still have a pretty reasonable contrast. They're a little bit more muted in the color, which I think actually works better for a pant. I do think in terms of pairing, I like the other one a little bit better. Let's try the third out. All right, and you can see this is a completely different shade of green. I think all three kind of work. I don't think I'd have an issue using any of them. And I do really like these. I like the functionality, I like the material, I like the color, I like the shoes. I think I scored on both today, so I'm pretty happy yet again. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.